It was May 2018, and I was conducting staff meeting with my assistant managers and department managers in Parsippany, New Jersey, when I got the call that someone had a stroke in the Caribbean island of Martinique. She had gone there to have a simple surgery and got the stroke a few days after. It was 5 p.m. that day, and I told my staff I had to go. On my way home, I called my wife to pack me a suitcase at 5 p.m. Looking back, I call this insanity. Usually when traveling to the Caribbean, you have to get a flight the day before or very early in the morning. I arrived at the airport 45 minutes before the last flight, which was flying out at 6 p.m. Paid my ticket and got a flight that night to North Carolina. When I got at North Carolina at 10 p.m., paid a flight to Miami. Arrived in Miami at 1 a.m. in the morning. I called my brother in Canada to get me a ticket to Martinique the following day. I left Miami in the morning. I stopped in Haiti, stopped in Guadeloupe, and then arrived in Martinique in the afternoon around 4 p.m. But why such a haste? It was a haste because this lady I'm talking about who had the stroke was my mother. Laying on a bed in the hospital in Martinique, a French country. Arriving there, I had to polish my French, It was myself and a sister who took this challenge. You see, the word mother describes exactly who my mother is. When I look at M, I see her as being magnificent. When I look at O, I see her as being outstanding. When I look at T, I see her as being tender, kind, and affectionate. When I look at H, I see her as being honorable. When I look at the E in mother, I see her as extraordinary. And when I look at the R in mother, I see her as remarkable. Put all these together and you will understand who my mother is. She taught me how to cook because she cooked the best food, and every time I go home in St. Lucia, I always look forward for this one pot, but she cannot do it anymore. I took much from her cooking. That's why I had this fast food van called Flavi's Fast Food. She taught me how to sew and hem, even though I'm still not too good at it. She taught me how to do miracles because she was a miracle worker. With little food and a few dollars, she put clean clothes on us and make us breakfast, lunch, supper that looked like a feast. She had 13 of us. I cannot see her this year because of COVID-19. But my mother, Teresa Flowery Flavius, is my superhero. This song I'm about to play best describes what I'm trying to say. Sweet mother, I will never forget you.
Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer way you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer way you suffer for me. When I dey cry, my mother go carry me. She go say, my pikin, wetin you dey cry, yo. Stop, make you no cry again, no. When I was sleep, my mother go bed me. She go lie me well for bed. She cover me close, say make you sleep, my pikin, oh. mother, sweet mother, oh, eh, oh. So mama, sweet mother. When I dey sick, my mother go cry, cry, cry. She go say instead when I go die, make she die. Oh. She go beg God, God help me, my pikin. Oh. Oh, my mother. If I no sleep, my mother no go sleep. If I no chop, my mother no go chop. She no dey tire, sweet mother. I no go forget the suffer where you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, yeah, sweet mother, oh, yeah. Oh, sweet mother, I will never forget you. For the suffer you suffer for me. And if I should forget you, therefore I forget my life. The air I breathe in. Yeah, so. And there are the human on earth, daring not forget their mother. For if you forget your mother, you lost your life. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. When I dey cry, my mother go carry me. She go say, my pikin, wetin you dey cry? Yeah, yeah. Stop, 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 stop. Make you no cry again. Oh, oh my mother, oh sorry. When I want sleep, my mother go pet me. She go lie me well, well for bed. Oh. She cover me cloth, say make you sleep, 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 my pikin. Oh. When I dey hungry, my mother go run up and down. She dey find me something when I go chop. Oh. Sweet mother, eh, sweet mother, oh, eh. When I dey sick, my mother go cry, cry, cry. She go say instead when I go die, make she die. Oh. She go beg God, God help me, my pikin. Oh. If I no sleep, my mother no go sleep. If I no chop, my mother no go chop. She no dey